Found a little road where the old bells ring. Stone streets whisper every dream they bring. Morning coffee, warming heart and hand. In Santo Stefano, I found my promised land, where the sea winds softly sigh.
Ciao, benvenuti, and welcome back to our channel, Move to Italy Now. Today we are taking you to Santo Stefano. Now, many of you would like to have a home that is sort of on the large side, but then there are some of you who are so interested in putting down your roots and not spending a lot of time in the house. And we're featuring a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom home in Santo Stefano di Camastra. It's on one level, so for those of you who are not looking for a tower to move into.
Right, G is not just being cynical when she says a tower, because when you are in a historic center, you're going to get a multi-level house. Even an apartment will be multi-level. There will be stairs. That's what you get when you're in a historic center. However, like G is explaining, there are much fewer steps in this one. It's all on one level and it's just a few steps up to the home. Also, many of you have lived in large homes, raising your families, and now you're ready to downsize, and you don't want so much cubatura, as they would say, cubic meters of living space. So this is a great way to downsize. We're looking at about 45 square meters of space here, so just under 500 square feet. But it's got everything right there. It's good.
It's everything that you need. It's a tiny home, and it is ready to move into, which many of you are looking for. You want to come down here, put down your bags, and just walk to the beach. You can do that here.
Before we get there, we just wanted to show, just recently we had a viewer from Australia come to see her home for the first time in Tusa, and you just have a minute of that. You'll see her experience. We'd love to share that with you.
Yes, so please do enjoy and stay tuned for Casa Gagliano.
Andiamo.
Andiamo, guys.
I'm here in Tusa at the new house that I'm purchasing. Carlo, who is the consultant that's helping me with the purchase of the house.
It's been exciting for us to observe Jessica seeing her home for the very first time.
I'm really excited about it. There's an older place next door that's in original condition, and here we are at number 86. Beautiful door, balconies and views to this incredible 1,000-year-old, did you say, church?
Back here you can see the steeple. Come on back here. 1,000-year-old San Nicola.
Incredible.
So we're in the notaio's office right now. Earlier today, we viewed your home for the first time, right? That was exciting.
So exciting. It's amazing.
Of course. Yeah. Well, now I'm going to get a power of attorney so I can sign as soon as the sellers have got all their documents in order. So right now, that's what we're going to make happen with the notaio, the procura, or power of attorney. Anything to add about your experience today?
It was a little bit nerve-wracking to begin with, but I feel confident now that things are going as they...
Now that you've seen the whole process?
Yeah, so good, yeah.
We're so glad that you're working with our team, because you're in good hands.
Found a little road where the old bells ring. Stone streets whisper every dream they bring. Morning coffee, warming heart and hand. In Santo Stefano,
Today we're going to tour a small little home in the historic center of Santo Stefano that we are calling Casa Gagliano. And it is a very small, simple, cut and dried tour here today. This has been prepared to be ready to move into. You may not agree with the standard of what was done, but it is nonetheless just about abitabile, or ready to live into. Now look out at the street. In fact, you may remember some months ago, down there we featured, right there, we featured Casa Laura, and that's sold to a lovely couple, and they've already done the renovations to it, and they're renting it out right now, except when they come here, they will be staying there. It's a nice little house. Right here, what we have is directly across the street. Look at this stone ingress to this house. So you've got a beautiful stone house right across from you. Look in there. Now, take a look at the outside. He's painted the iron, stuccoed and painted the outside. There is an old air conditioner unit here. It is working, but it's older. Now let's go ahead and examine this small little place here. It's basically 2 rooms with a kitchen and bathroom. Obviously, the furnishings are just in here, whatever. So we came up the stairs here. What I like about it, it's not a long, tall staircase. I like that. So here's your landing. The landing is actually the room. This couch, of course, is going, I'm sure. And take a look. First of all, the first room is a tiny little kitchenette, which is almost ready. Got a very simple little tiny lavabo, sink with Carrara top. There is an old gas stove in here. You may or may not wish to keep it, but look at your view outside across there at that stone building right there. Isn't that nice? So the kitchen is fully tiled and it is functional, but it may not be to your standard. Now here's something. You've got a pipe up here for ventilation from the bathroom, and that will have to be painted. That's something I would include in the offer automatically. This was left open for a skinny 5 kilo washer, but again, that hole it's not the end of the world. It can be filled, but it would be hidden by the washer. That's what they were thinking. Okay, there is a built-in hutch, so you have a flush mount hutch here, which could be refinished. It's very nice. The furniture that is in here is nothing to get excited about, but it is included in the sale. Now let's look at the bathroom, which was completely redone. Very, very nice. Tiled, new toilet, water heater, sink, and he hasn't even finished getting the outlet there and the mirror and light over that, but at any rate, it's a nice oversized shower. I want to show you that. Very nice. Like a big shower. I don't like my arms touching the wall when I'm in the shower, and I'm sure most people don't. Okay, so that's the balance of the only bathroom in this place. There is a fridge in here, which certainly will do temporarily. And now look at the bedroom. The bedroom is huge. In fact, it's even bigger than it looks because there is a huge armadio here taking up 2.5 square meters at least of this room. But I want you just to see how large this room is. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Okay. So we're going to go out onto the balcony. But wait, we were on the balcony over there. So we're actually on another street here. And we're going on to the balcony here. Again, Carrara marble pavement here. And look down the street here. How nice. Again, you've got your lava rock pavement in the street. And you may recall we featured some months ago Casa Clarissa right there, which is currently a B&B. Right there, that pink house there. But what's nice about this is, and of course he's painted it all in here too, all set. But you can get your cross ventilation. So you're on 2 different streets. 1 floor, 2 streets. How about that? And that, frankly, is the balance of this little home. Simple, not too many stairs. That's a great thing, but it would be absolutely ideal for a little lock-up vacation home for a couple, You've only got a few steps up, and it is on a very nice street in the historic center of Santo Stefano.
I found a little road where the old bells ring. Stone streets whisper every dream they bring. Morning coffee, warm in heart and hand. In Santo Stefano, I found my promised land. Oh, Santo Stefano, where the sea winds softly sigh, painting hope in every sunrise. Blue across the sky, every little morning feels like life begun anew. A magical new story, simple, kind, and true.
So, what did you think about Casa Gagliano? It is a very tiny home, but it has all the things that you need in order to live la dolce vita. Again, it's steps to the beach, walking distance to the beach, as well as other amenities
Everything.
everything,
Right there.
your
Yeah.
bar, your restaurants, your
Yeah, it's a sweet little location. It really is.
yes,
Yeah.
your grocery stores, your pharmacies, the what is it called? The emergency room here is called.
Oh, guarda medico.
Okay,
Yeah,
so it's right there in the middle of everything. And we hope that you have been following us and you've seen the other tiny home that we featured in Santo Stefano. Let us know in the comments field below. What do you think about the two? How do they compare?
Right. And remember, this isn't about square footage, square meters. It's about location, always about location. This particular home is right in the heart of everything. And here's some more good news. The price that we publish it at, the $45,000, is an asking price only. I know the seller's bottom line. If you're really serious, reach out privately in an email and we can help you out.
If you enjoyed this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. And we will look forward to seeing you in the next video.
That is correct. So then, ciao for now.
Alla prossima. Ciao.